Hello everybody, this is me again, and update on my 55 stuff. I've finished tacking everything in place, measuring a lot of times to get it to where it should be, and then I'm going to weld everything back completely pretty soon. Not sure if I'll do that today, it's a little warm out. I had to put the motor and tranny back in for weight because I was putting the front end on, and those springs are a little bit tough to get in without all the weight on it. So I'm going to do that in a little bit here, I think. It's pretty cool so far. And then I cleaned up the shop a little bit, make more room, put all the parts for the car in the other shed. Been busy here doing all this stuff. Love doing it. Anyway, I'll do another update when I get a lot more done. Signing off. I hope you're having a great day.